Today we'll talk about how can you log out of your account on your SweetMeet app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now. So just click here on settings. You just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. You click here on application settings. So then you just come here to log out. You just click here on log out here. So then automatically here it's going to take you out of your account on your SweetMeet app. So that's all you have to do. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.